Alright, got my shop in order. And now I gotta start redoing all this crap in this boat for my father-in-law. All the wood's rotten. The doors and hinges and all that's gone. So, about to start stripping this thing down, starting a new project. And when I get finished up with this, maybe I get started on my own little project. Putting my 92 model four-wheel drive back together. Well, I'm gonna paint it first. So, alright, y'all like? Follow along. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated on the progress with this boat. Oh, and FYI, the shiners, we're toward the end of the second day, and they're doing great.